The Cipher conspiracy against Imran Khan. After the court granted Imran Khan bail in the Sham Toshakhana case for which he was in jail since 5th August 2023, he was re-arrested for an even more farcical Cipher case. So why is this case completely ridiculous to start with? The Cipher in question was sent on 7th March 2022 by Pakistani ambassador to the US, Asad Majid Khan, which had the minutes of the meeting between the Assistant Secretary of State for South and Central Asia Affairs, Donald Liu, and Asad Majid. The Cipher was received by the Foreign Ministry and its decoded copy was sent to the former Prime Minister Imran Khan. According to the Cipher, if Imran Khan is removed, Pakistan will be forgiven, otherwise there will be consequences. On 27th March 2023, Imran Khan revealed that threat given in the Cipher while addressing a big public rally in Islamabad. The copy of the Cipher was also kept in front of the whole cabinet for an open discussion. The minutes of that meeting are with the cabinet division. The cabinet comprising of the government officials declassified the Cipher. After declassifying, one copy of the Cipher was sent to the Speaker of the National Assembly and another copy was sent to the Chief Justice of Pakistan. A meeting of the National Security Council was called on 31st March 2022 and a strong demarche was served to the country in question after Liu's statements were deemed blatant interference in Pakistan's internal matters and politics. After Imran Khan's ouster, another meeting of the National Security Council was called in April 2022 and the Cipher was presented in front of the whole committee. There was no mention of the Cipher gone missing in the second NSC meeting. The Council, after evaluating the contents of the Cipher, reaffirmed the previous NSC meeting's assessments. The Interior Minister of the PDM government also confirmed that the Cipher has not been misplaced and is safe with the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. The Cipher was made public by an American non-profit news organization called The Intercept in August 2023. The Intercept confirmed that their source was not Imran Khan or any member of his party. They attributed the whistleblower to be a military official. A bill proposing an amendment to the Official Secret Act was passed in a hurry without getting an assent from the President, deeming it unconstitutional and illegal. Special courts were set up immediately after unconstitutionally passing this bill. The Cipher case against Imran Khan uses the same bill to falsely accuse him, framing the discussion of the Cipher as a crime. Imran Khan's principal secretary was abducted by the regime in the hope to get a falsified statement under duress against Khan regarding the Cipher. Under the unconstitutional Official Secret Amendment Bill, former Foreign Minister was also illegally arrested in the Cipher case and has been under investigation for days now. The FIA has not been able to produce any evidence against him or Imran Khan. On August 29, 2023, after getting a bail in the Toshakhana case from the High Court, it was revealed that Imran Khan has been re-arrested in this particular case from Attock jail where he was already incarcerated since 25 days. Imran Khan was under arrest for at least 15 days in this case without him knowing, nor was his legal team notified about this illegal arrest. It was also revealed that Imran Khan will be tried in the same special court that was established on the basis of an unconstitutional amendment to the Official Secret Act. Imran Khan's physical remand was given without presenting him in any court, which is unlawful. Imran Khan's hearing was set without him or his legal team being notified, and instead of presenting him in a regular court, Attock jail was declared a special Official Secret Act court for all proceedings on this case. The jail proceedings were kept secret and no press and media was allowed to cover the hearing. Imran Khan's legal team also had to face resistance to enter the court to defend his case, denying him the right to a fair trial. The charges against Khan are misusing the Cipher for personal gains. But the threat in the Cipher was deemed a blatant interference in Pakistan's internal matters by 2 NSC meetings and a strong demarche was served. Imran Khan was removed from power as per the threat in the cipher. The content of the cipher later published by The Intercept also proved that it was, in fact, a direct threat to Pakistan. Then how did Imran Khan misuse the cipher for personal gains? The second charge against Imran Khan is exposing the communication in the cipher to unauthorized persons. But the cipher was declassified by the elected cabinet at that time, and so it was no longer an official secret. The third charge against Imran Khan is stealing, hiding, or confiscating the cipher. But this cipher was presented in the NSC meeting in April 2022. Moreover, the original cipher never left the Foreign Office and is safely lying with the Foreign Ministry, as confirmed by the Interior Minister. So, former Prime Minister Imran Khan is being tried for leaking official secrets which were no longer secret after being declassified, and under an official secret amendment bill that never became the law as it never got the President's assent. In short, Imran Khan is being accused of telling people that another country sent a threat to Pakistan that if you did not get rid of your Prime Minister, then there will be consequences. Was it true? Yes. The very nature of this trial proves that the regime accusing Khan is fine with the blatant interference in Pakistan's internal matters, but is surely not happy that Khan told the people of Pakistan about this interference. One sham case after another without any evidence is a proof that all this is an effort to keep Imran Khan away from the public and stop him from contesting in the elections, as Imran Khan's growing popularity is a threat to the establishment as well as the ruling elite who do not want the power to slip off their hands.